Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add co-host on VRBO. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on VRBO, you can simply use your Google account, your Apple or Facebook to create an account here, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, adding a co-host on VRBO or Vacation Rentals by Owner allows you to share responsibility for managing your vacation rental property with someone else. Of course, these are the ways for you to add a co-host on VRBO. Once you are on the website, log in to your account and obviously navigate to your listings. The thing is, if you haven't created your first listing here and you wanted to add your co-host also in that section, this is going to be the perfect time because this will take you to the management dashboard for that listing. Now, simply choose what kind of, how many bedroom is it and how many bathroom, and click on next. Obviously, you need to enter the address, alright? After that, fill in as much as more information as you can. Once you have listed your property, you search for the option that you can add a co-host on the dashboard. It's a very straightforward process, and there's going to be a section that or a tab labeled co-hosts or team within the management dashboard of your listing. This is obviously where you manage permissions and add co-host. Now, adding a co-host in the co-host or team section, you should find an option to add that. Enter the email address of the person you want to add as a co-host, like a partner or a colleague or a boss, and make sure the email address is associated with the VRBO account that you are currently using. After entering the co-host email address, VRBO will send an invitation to the email provided. And of course, the co-host will receive an email invitation to join as a co-host for your property, and they will need to accept the invitation through their own VRBO account, okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.